Hey guys, I'm going to go over the hang, power, clean, and jerk. So this is a bit more advanced movement, but it's an awesome exercise. It's one of the foundations within our training program for really developing leg, back strength, as well as even a lot of hip explosiveness and even coordination. A lot of things that you'll need in activities outside the gym, such as like golf, tennis, what have you. So with this, you'll need a barbell and a set of plates. And what we'll do is we'll deadlift the barbell up to the hang position. You want your grip to be at about a thumb's width apart from your hips. So from here, we'll send our hips back, and then after we do that, we're going to extend the hips and legs rapidly, followed by a shoulder shrug and pulling ourselves under, catching it right here in the front position. So at full speed, that'll look like this. That's just the first part of the movement. So from here, the torso will dip slightly, and then we'll extend the hips and legs rapidly, catching in a partial squat before standing. Simply lower the barbell back down to the collarbone and return it back to the hang position. So at full speed, the hang, power, clean, and jerk will look like this. And that right there is the hang, power, clean, and jerk.